14 Kreuzfahrtschiffe, 6 Airlines mit mehr als 130 Flugzeugen, 1800 Reisebüros, mehr als 300 eigene Hotels und 180 Destinationen machen uns zum führenden Reiseunternehmen der Welt. Doch hinter all dem stehen wir. 67.000 Mitarbeiter, die gemeinsame Werte verkörpern. Menschen mit außergewöhnlichen Geschichten, so einzigartig wie ihr Fingerabdruck. Denn wir und unsere Geschichten sind es, die TUI zu mehr als einem Reisekonzern machen.
I'm Alice Bird. I am 27 years old. I'm originally from the UK, but have now lived in Agadir for 4 years, nearly. When I was young, my family brought us here for a holiday. We then travelled back quite a few times after that, and then when I became an adult, I realised I was travelling here 4 times a year. So when I started to work with TUI, my ambition really was to be in Morocco one day. My job is that I work for TUI Destination Services. I work 50% as business support and 50% as a quality assurance coordinator. My role is to ensure the quality of the product that we offer, to the service that we offer. That can be going out into hotels, it can be producing reports to show the current quality levels, also looking at the excursions and the transfers. For business support, my role is to assist with all queries that come into the office from the reps that work along with the customers, as well as things that come direct from the head office, from our travel agents, from all the different nationalities. I have great relationships with everybody that I work with here. We have a great team here in Morocco, both in Agadir and Marrakesh, and we all work very closely together. My passion for Morocco has led me to work a lot with the local community. I work on my half day off each week in the local orphanage. We started this as a project for TUI, as a campaign, a Christmas campaign where we try to raise as much money as possible for the local orphanage. But my story is that I love the children there. I love spending my time with them and helping as much as I can. So I'm now there every week during my time off. The children in the orphanage range from newborn. We have them coming in just 1 or 2 days old. Most of them are up to about the age of 8 years old. When I go to the orphanage, I am mainly playing with the children, spending time with them, giving them the kind of personal affection that they need, the one-on-one time with some of them. I also accompany them on days out because several of the children are disabled, so they need a lot of adults to go with them. So there's always an opportunity to help out with the staff there. Some of the children have come from very difficult backgrounds, so they take longer to warm to you and to accept and trust you. It's very hard to accept that so many children are abandoned, and they're often abandoned because of their disabilities. You really do develop bonds with them, and even if I'm only there once a week, it's so nice when you go in there and their faces light up, and it's just it's someone who's going to come and play with them and spend the time with them. It's always hard having to leave the orphanage at the end of the day. You want to take them all home with you, you want to give them a better life. If I ever miss a week because of a work commitment or something, I really feel like I start to miss them. They've really become a part of my life. I think I've learnt to appreciate my life so much and the upbringing that I had. I've had a lovely life, and I hope these children will have the opportunity to have the same, that they're all waiting for adoption. If I had a wish, it would be to have more donations and more regular support for this association. I also believe that one day I will adopt, just to be able to give back to this community that have accepted me so much in my life. But for now, I'm extremely happy here in Morocco.